To buy Dogecoin using Pancakeswap, you need to have a few things ready. First, you need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports Binance Smart Chain, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You also need some Binance Coin to pay for transaction fees. Start by opening your crypto wallet and making sure it is set to the Binance Smart Chain network. If you are using MetaMask, you can do this by clicking on the network drop-down menu at the top of the page and selecting Binance Smart Chain. Next, go to the Pancakeswap website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet type from the list and follow the prompts to connect it to Pancakeswap. Once your wallet is connected, click on the Trade button and select the Dogecoin token. If you can't find it, you can search for it by typing Doge into the search bar. After selecting the Dogecoin token, enter the amount of Binance Coin you want to spend and click on the Swap button. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Then click on the Confirm Swap button. Your wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details again and click on the Confirm button. The transaction will then be processed and the Dogecoin will be added to your wallet. It is also important to note that you should only use reputable and trustworthy websites and services when buying cryptocurrency. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps, you can easily buy Dogecoin using Pancakeswap. Remember to stay safe and always use best practices when dealing with cryptocurrency.